Once upon a time, in a vast and verdant forest, there lived a colony of bees known as the Buzzy Bees. They were a harmonious and industrious group, each bee contributing to the well-being of the hive. But there was a secret, a hidden truth, that only a few bees possessed. Amongst the bees, Nectarina was the wisest and most observant. She noticed that some bees seemed to communicate in ways that others couldn't understand. Curious, she sought to uncover the secret whispers of the hive. One day, she met an old and wise aunt, Anthea, who lived nearby. Anthea was known for her deep wisdom and kind heart. Nectarina shared her observations with Anthea, seeking answers. Anthea smiled and said, "My dear Nectarina, the secret you seek is in the dance. Each dance, each waggle and twirl, carries a message, a map to the nectar sources." Nectarina was amazed. She returned to the hive, eager to share her newfound knowledge. She taught the bees the language of the dance, and the hive buzzed with excitement. The bees learned to understand each other better, working together more efficiently. They found more nectar, made more honey, and the hive thrived like never before. But with great knowledge comes great responsibility. Nectarina and the bees vowed to use their newfound ability wisely, to never let it lead to misunderstanding or discord. And so, the secret whispers of the hive, once a mystery, became a tool for unity and growth. The Buzzy Bees continued to buzz in harmony, their dance a testament to the power of understanding and unity. In the end, the moral of the story is this: seek knowledge, use it wisely, and let it bring you closer, not drive you apart. For in understanding, we find unity and strength.